Replace the battery only when the oval-shaped LED flashes red. Start by opening the battery cover with a Phillips screwdriver. Gently pull up on the spring-loaded battery clip and tip the Thermapen to allow the battery to slide out. Be careful not to pull the clip back too far. Use the new battery to gently lift the spring-loaded clip and insert the battery with the positive side down, and the clip will hold the battery in place. Note that if the battery clip doesn't spring all the way back and touch the new battery once it's in place, you shouldn't worry. The Thermapen Blue's battery cover is specially designed to hold the clip down against the new battery once the cover is screwed shut. Gently tighten the screw fully while being careful not to over-tighten. Whatever you do, do not attempt to rebend or flatten a torqued battery clip on your own, or you will likely damage the assembly. Just close the battery cover as you normally would.